Buried deep in mud and rust for decades, this classic red vintage car, which once ruled the roads, has completely lost its identity. Breaking the tight grip of the thick mud was our very first and toughest challenge. Now this car is on its way to a brand new journey, where its lost glory will finally be restored. Arrival at our workshop. From this exact spot, an unbelievable transformation journey begins. First, we blast away years of caked-on mud and grime to reveal the true body hidden underneath. We didn't just stop at the outside. Every single corner of the forgotten interior is being steam cleaned to perfection.
This is where the real grease work begins. Every single rusty bolt is cracked open, and worn-out mechanical parts are stripped down for a complete overhaul.
The first attempt to fire up the rebuilt engine. It struggles, it gasps, coughing up decades of dark dust and smoke. Every single inch of corrosive rust is being meticulously ground away to save the metal chassis. Every dent and battle scar on the body is expertly hammered out until the body lines are perfectly straight. Applying premium body filler smoothly across the panels to create an absolute flawless base for the paint. Hours of precision sanding are crucial to bring back the original curves and sharp design of this classic. Next up is the primer coat, sealing the raw metal and protecting it from future rust. And here is our favorite part, the iconic, rich, glossy red coat that defines the soul of this machine. Fitting the gleaming new chrome bumpers and front grille, perfectly complementing its vintage aesthetic. Brand new period-correct wheels and tires are mounted, giving this classic its aggressive stance back. Placing the original vintage emblem back on the hood. The ultimate badge of history and pride.
A final compound polish and buffing stage, bringing out a breathtaking, mirror-like deep shine.
But with a little tweak, the beast finally awakens. Listen to that beautiful, healthy clink and roar of pure V8 power.
Behold the final masterpiece. The abandoned car from the mud is now completely reborn and ready to rule the streets again.
Pure passion, hard work, and dedication. If you love this epic restoration, make sure to like and subscribe for more.